Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about the products I use that help to aid in strengthening my hair and moisturizing my scalp, because obviously we know that healthy hair starts from a healthy scalp. So let's get right into it. So the first line of products I'm going to tell you about is Ovation, and they have a whole line consisting of shampoos, conditioners, curly hair products, and the cell therapy hair and scalp treatment that has been working really well on my hair. I'm partnering with Ovation to share these awesome products with you guys, so hopefully you enjoy them as much as I do. So they sent me the color therapy line along with the cell therapy treatment, and these are working awesome for my hair. I have the color therapy shampoo, which is fade fighting, shine boosting, and sulfate free, and then the color therapy conditioner, which is fade fighting, hydrating, and protecting. So both of these work together to kind of help your hair keep its color. Then along with the washing process, I have the cell therapy hair and scalp treatment. This actually goes in between the shampoo and the conditioner. So I'll show you how I use it. So I start off using the shampoo, of course, and I use it especially on my scalp. I like to massage it in there to make sure that it gets rid of any product debris or buildup. This has a special blend of ingredients to help preserve color longevity while shielding your hair from UV rays and damage from heat styling. Okay, so after I shampoo my hair, I use the cell therapy hair and scalp treatment. This product is really great. It's recommended to use 2 to 3 times per week. So lately I've been using it about twice a week. And you pretty much just use it after your shampoo. I put a good amount there because my hair is long. So once I put the cell therapy on my hair, I make sure to massage it in my scalp as well. It came with this wide tooth comb, so I combed my hair through from root to tip and left it on for 5 minutes. Reportedly, after just one use of cell therapy, it reduced hair breakage by over 80% and it repaired over 75% of split ends. So the cell therapy treatment does not take the place of a shampoo or conditioner, but it is like a conditioner. It feels kind of like that thick, creamy consistency, and I was able to detangle my hair with it, and it made my hair super smooth and very soft. So once I washed the cell therapy out of my hair, I moved on to the color therapy conditioner, and it defends the hair against washing and fading out of your color. They also sent me this leave-in detangler spray. This definitely made my hair easy to detangle. So after I used the cell therapy treatment for the first time, I noticed my hair was so moisturized and defined. I had no frizz and my hair just felt super soft. After I washed my hair, I used Ovation's leave-in detangler spray. This helps to smooth and soften the hair. So I just sprayed it all throughout my hair from root to tip and used their wet brush to kind of just distribute that. Next, I separated my hair to evenly distribute the curl enhancing cream. This curl cream is infused with a natural oil blend along with marshmallow extract. This is a slip enhancer and it's perfect for all curl types. It's also naturally conditioning. The curl cream made my hair really soft and my curls really bouncy. They work for all hair types, so if your hair is really coarse and dry, I definitely recommend these products because all of the products infuse moisture into the hair. I checked out their website and they have all the ingredients listed on their page, why they use those ingredients and how they work. So I definitely recommend you check out their website. The link is in the description. I have a special link just for my subscribers to get you some savings. The next products I use to keep my hair strong and moisturized is Briogeo's Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. This is a new product and I actually did a little review of it on Instagram, but I've been using this for a little while as well and I really like it. So if you don't have time to deep condition your hair, you're traveling, or you're just kind of always on the go, you can use this and it really puts the moisture back into your hair. So when I first used this, I was surprised at how soft my hair felt after I washed my hair, and I didn't feel like deep conditioning at the time. Just a few sprays of this before styling my hair made it really soft and manageable. So I definitely recommend this. As I told you guys before, I have a really dry scalp, so I like to use this SheaMoisture's African Black Soap Dandruff Control Shampoo. It has tea tree oil in it and willow bark extract, and this helps to soothe the scalp and remove flakes. So I'm not saying that it totally took my flakes away, but it definitely did improve it. Next is SheaMoisture's African Water Mint and Ginger Detox and Refresh Scalp Elixir. I love this thing. This is really soothing to the scalp. So sometimes, especially in the winter, if my scalp feels really dry, it starts to get itchy, and I don't like to scratch a lot because obviously then I'm gonna have flakes. So using this, it has the long applicator nozzle, and I can just kind of spray it anywhere that my hair feels like itchy or just dry without having to wash it all over again. And it's pretty affordable. You could get it at any drugstore. And finally, for healthy hair and a healthy scalp, I like to massage my scalp with oils. So these two are the ones that I use the most for scalp massages. Massaging your scalp is really good because it increases the blood circulation, and this stimulates the hair follicles so that they are able to grow stronger and even quicker, sometimes thicker, depending on your hair type. So I really like doing this because it's totally beneficial. On our scalp, we have something called sebum. That's just kind of like our natural oils from our scalp. People who have straight hair, the sebum is able to travel from the scalp all the way down to the tip of their hair to kind of condition it. But for people with curly hair, obviously since we have curls, the oil might take a little longer to get around each loop. So that's why a lot of times we have like dry ends or split ends, because the oil doesn't usually make its way down there. So that's why I like to add some oil to the ends of my hair, or just overnight on my scalp to just add that moisture back into my hair and my scalp. This is Righteous Roots Oil Hair RX, and this is Royal Hair Goddess Multitasking Oil Treatment. Both of these are women owned, so I'm glad to support. They both sent me their oils, and I really like both of them. So I'll start with the Royal Hair Goddess. I kind of got some oil on the bottle, so the ingredients are a little bit rubbed off, but this contains grapeseed oil, castor oil, almond oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil. I can't see the rest. It also has like a little plant in here, like a little herb or something, and it smells very herby. So I like to use this one at night for my scalp massages, like before bed. And then this one, this contains 100% pure black Jamaican castor oil, coconut oil, sesame oil, and additional natural oils. This one even has a little bit of a minty scent. If I had to choose one of the two, I would use this one to put on throughout the day, just because I don't want my hair to smell too strong or herby like this one does. It's not a bad smell at all. It doesn't last all throughout the day, but I just rather not use it during the day. I like to use this as a pre-poo treatment as well. So sometimes I put it all over my hair and kind of just let it sit there for a few hours before I wash my hair, and my hair feels really soft and moisturized. And this one I like to use like on my hairline, on my scalp, on my ends. Both of them are really good. So how I massage my scalp is I use the pads of my fingertips. I put some oil on my fingertips. I move my hands in circular motions, and I do that for about 5 minutes. So that's it, guys. These are some of the products that I've been using to have healthy hair, and obviously you can't have healthy hair without a healthy scalp. So I've been incorporating these products for a while to help that, and I'm definitely noticing the difference in my hair. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.